Now, see in this numerical, a ship is to reach a place 10 degrees south of west. In what direction should it be steered if declination at the place is 17 degree west? So, now see, as first you draw the diagram here or show all the directions. This is called geographic north, this is called geographic south, this is called geographic east, and this is called geographic west. Now, angle of declination is here 17 degree west. So, this one angle is 17 degree according to the question here. Now, the ship has to reach 10 degree south of west, it means somewhere here. The ship has to go to this degree. So, this is actually the magnetic axis or the magnetic direction shown by the compass. The ship has to be steered at this angle, this much here. So, you will not have to calculate anything, just this one you get this angle. So, this whole angle is 90 and this subtract is here, that is a 70. So, you will be getting this angle at plus 10. So, here, so that will be the angle at the angle at which the ship has to be steered is 90 minus 17 plus 10, that will be here 83 degree. So, 83 degree here the west of the north. So, the from the north here this angle is 83 degree. So, the ship has to be steered at this angle.